Have you been rejected or disappointed time and time again? Well, there is a man who did. But he took his failures and didn't just make a lemonade. He made the world a better place. Hey everyone, welcome to Frontliners. Before going to the content, I want to thank you for tuning to Frontliners. Please subscribe to our channel and help in hitting the notification bell icon. Today, let's discuss an inspirational story of a person who had proven that age is just a number. He is Colonel Harland Sanders, the founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC. Sanders was born in 1890 in Indiana, North America. After his father died when he was 6, he became responsible for his brother and sister. After few months, Sanders' mother got remarried and took her children to live with her new husband. But Sanders' relationship with his stepfather was not that good, which led to many quarrels. Later, he convinced his mom and left to his uncle's house. From early age itself, he held down numerous jobs including farmer, streetcar conductor, railroad fireman, insurance salesman, etc. He got married at the age of 18 and he had 3 children. One of his sons passed away at an early stage due to ill health. As Sanders don't possess a steady job or income, one day his wife along with children left him and didn't return to him, stating that she had done a mistake of marrying him. That's not a simple thing for a person to lose his father in early age and living away from mother and losing a child and becoming alone at the age of 20. This is a great loss to anyone. He didn't give up at that age. He found a ferry boat company which worked well and made profits. He tried cashing in this to create a lamp manufacturing company, but that didn't work out well due to another company which sold a better lamp. At the age of 40, he began selling chicken dishes in a service station, but an argument with the competitor resulted in a deadly shootout. 4 years later, he bought a motel, which got burned out to the ground along with his restaurant. Yet, this determined man rebuilt and ran a new motel. This hotel gave him huge profits and got famous in very short span. At the time of World War II, the road before his restaurant got closed and made the business fall down, which forced him to sell this restaurant at a very less price. At the age of 65, he got broke financially and used to get only $105 of pension from the government. After all his struggling life, he felt bad as he didn't got a peaceful retirement. He felt like committing suicide but gave up. Sanders has a secret chicken recipe which he proposed to many restaurants but it got rejected every single time. People say that his recipe was rejected 1009 times before anyone accepted it. Finally, a person has agreed to sell Sanders' recipe in his restaurant with a partnership deal. Later, Sanders has started his dream of spreading KFC franchises all across the country. After years of misfortunes and failures, Sanders finally hit it big with the blockbuster KFC. KFC expanded internationally with 700 outlets in America itself. Later, Sanders sold the company to John Brown for $2 million at the age of 75, as he is much old to handle all these expansions and business. He made an agreement that they has to pay $75,000 per year and he will be one of the board members. As of now, there are about 23,000 KFC outlets in more than 140 countries around the world. It is one of the top 5 restaurant chains in the world. Sanders also started Colonel Sanders Trust and charitable organization and used to help the healthcare organizations financially. He is a person who has no job in the beginning and got broke at the age of 65, but now lakhs of people are working in his restaurants. If you are overwhelmed by rejection or discouraged by setbacks, remember the story of Colonel Sanders. Fight from multiple jobs and faced many setbacks, yet still created one of the largest food chains in the world. He is an inspiration to all the youngsters who are facing continuous failures and also to the aged people who feel that they can't do anything. Sanders wouldn't let anything or anyone defeat him. We should all be more like Colonel Sanders in handling rejection and failure. That's all for the video, guys. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Frontliners. Jai Hind.